Hello students, let us solve few questions of integration. The first question is I is equal to integration of x minus 2 the whole square into root x dx. Okay, so here I is equal to integration of, this is root x into, now expand x minus 2 the whole square by applying the formula of a minus b the whole square. So x square minus 4x plus 4 dx. So it is equal to now root x into x square minus 4x into root x plus 4 root x dx split. So now this can be written as root x into x square is x raised to 5 by 2 minus 4 times x raised to 3 by 2 plus 4 into x raised to half dx. Now split each and every integral. X raised to 5 by 2 dx minus 4 times x raised to 3 by 2 dx plus 4 times x raised to half dx. Now we know that integration of x raised to n is basically x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So here x raised to 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2 minus 4 times x raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 plus 4 times x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. Now here 2 will go up, so 2 by 7 times x raised to 7 by 2 minus this 2 will go up and it will multiply with 4. So 8 upon 5 times x raised to 5 by 2 plus 8 upon 3 times x raised to 3 by 2 plus c. That's it. This was our first question. Then second question. What is given? Second question, I is equal to integration of x raised to 7 upon x plus 1 dx. Now this is polynomial upon polynomial. Whenever there is polynomial upon polynomial in integration, then we have to check the power of the polynomial. If the degree of the numerator polynomial is greater than the denominator or equal than the denominator polynomial, then simply apply actual division. So x raised to 7 divided by x plus 1. When I divide, here I will get x raised to 6. So x raised to 7 plus x raised to 6. When I subtract, I will get minus x raised to 6. So again minus x raised to 5. So minus x raised to 6 minus x raised to 5. Again subtract, I will get x raised to 5. So plus x raised to 4. So that will be x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4. If I subtract, I'll get minus x raised to 4. So again I'll get minus x cube. So minus x raised to 4 minus x cube. I'll get plus x cube. Then here I will get x square. So x cube was there. So here I'll get x cube plus x square. When I subtract, I'll get minus x square. So then minus x. Now minus x square minus x. When I subtract, I'll get x, then plus 1. So here x plus 1. When I subtract, I'll get minus 1. So basically x raised to 7. We can write it as I is equal to integration of x raised to 6 minus x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x, correct, plus 1. Then my remainder was minus 1 upon x plus 1 dx. Okay, now calculate the integration of each and every term. So again by applying the same formula, integration of x raised to n will be x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So x raised to 7 by 7 minus x raised to 6 by 6 plus x raised to 5 by 5 minus x raised to 4 by 4 plus x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x minus. Now here I will consider x plus 1 as x. So we know that integration of 1 upon x is log mod x. So here 1 upon x plus 1 is basically log mod x plus 1 upon, don't forget to write the derivative of the term which we considered as x. Here we consider x plus 1 as x. Uska derivative will be 1. So no need to write. Then at the end plus c. Okay, so this was our question number 2. Then question number 3. I is equal to integration of 6x plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 dx. Okay, now here I can consider 6x plus 5 as x and I can apply the formula of x raised to n. Remember one thing, in integration we can consider only that term as x whose derivative is a constant, correct? So that term is called normal term. So 6x plus 5 का derivative is 6. Yes, so the term is normal. So therefore I can consider 6x plus 5 as x. So by applying x raised to n, so 6x plus 5 raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into derivative of, don't forget, many students are not dividing by its derivative. किसका derivative? जिसको हम लोगों ने x consider किया है वो. So that will be 6x plus 5 upon 5 by 2 raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 into 6 plus c. So here I can say 6x plus 5 raised to 3 by 2 upon 15 plus c. Yes, this was our question number 3. Now question number 4. Let me solve fifth one first, बिकॉज इधर स्पेस कम है तो फिफ्थ हो जाएगा. 3 minus 2 sin x upon cos square x dx. Okay, now here I will split, so I can say 3 upon cos square x, it is cos square x dx, minus 2 sin x upon cos square x, I am writing cos x into cos x dx. So we know that 3 outside, 1 upon cos square is sec square x, minus 2 outside because of constant. Now 1 upon cos can be written as sec x and sin upon cos is tan x dx. So now integration of sec square x is tan x minus 2 times integration of sec x tan x is sec x plus c. That's it. Question number 4th one एक बाकी अपना. So question number 4 is integration of t cube upon t plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so 4th one, I is equal to integration of t cube upon t plus 1 the whole square dx. Okay, now again here polynomial upon polynomial, the degree of numerator polynomial is greater than the denominator. Greater या तो equal, ये दो में से कोई आए, always try to apply actual division. So here I is equal to integration of t cube upon, basically this is t square plus 2t plus 1 dx. Now simply divide t cube divided by t square plus 2t plus 1. So now t cube divided by t square is t. Now multiply this t with all three terms. It will be t cube plus 2t square plus t. So when I subtract, t cube and t cube will get cancelled. So minus 2t square minus t. Now again minus 2t square divided by t square is minus 2. So it will be minus 2t square minus 4t minus 2. When I subtract, I'll get 3t plus 2. Okay, so here I will get I is equal to integration of, quotient is 3 minus 2 plus 3t plus 2 upon t plus 1 the whole square dt. Correct? Okay, actually इधर dt आना चाहिए, x नहीं, dt, because the question is in terms of t. Okay, so now here split integration of t dt minus 2 dt plus integration of, now here 3t plus 2 can be written as plus 3 minus 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square dt. So this is t square by 2 minus 2t plus, now when I split, so if I take 3 common, t plus 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square dt minus integration of 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square dt. So this is t square by 2 minus 2t plus 3 times 1t plus 1 will get cancelled. dt upon t plus 1 will be log mod t plus 1 minus integration of, now this can be written as t plus 1 raised to minus 2. So this is t square by 2 minus 2t plus 3 log mod t plus 1 minus, now here again apply, consider, formula of x raised to n. So x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So t plus 1 raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. So final answer is t square by 2 minus 2t plus 3 log mod t plus 1. Now here this minus and this minus will be converted into plus, and t plus 1 raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 upon t plus 1 plus c. That's it. ये अपना था क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th. Now 5th तो we already did. Now question number 6th. 6th is I is equal to integration of sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta upon sin square theta into cos square theta d theta. Okay, now to solve this मेरे को एक फॉर्मूला आना चाहिए, that is a cube plus b cube. So the formula is a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. So here my a is sin square theta and b is cos square theta. So here it will be I is equal to integration of, in the first bracket there is a plus b, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is anyhow 1 into अंदर क्या आएगा sin raised to 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta the whole upon sin square theta into cos square theta d theta. Okay, now we can split sin raised to 4 theta upon sin square theta cos square theta d theta minus sin square cos square upon sin square cos square, it will get cancelled, plus this is cos raised to 4 theta upon sin square theta into cos square theta d theta. So here sin square and sin square will get cancelled. So न्यूमरेटर में बचेगा sin square, डिनोमिनेटर में cos square पहले से है, so it will be tan square theta d theta minus this is 1 d theta plus here it will be, though cos square cancel, so it will be cot square theta. Now remember one thing, in integration whenever you come across a term like tan square and cot square, always convert it into sec square and cosec square by applying identity. So here tan square can be written as sec square theta minus 1 minus theta plus here it will be cosec square theta minus 1 d theta. So integration of sec square is tan theta minus integration of 1 is theta minus theta, cosec square is minus cot theta minus theta plus c. So final answer is tan theta minus cot theta minus 3 theta plus c. Okay, this is our final answer. So 6th one done. Now let me solve 10th one because इधर space है 10th sum जितना. So 10th question is I is equal to integration of 1 plus log x the whole cube upon x dx. Now here I can see that 1 plus log x का derivative is 1 by x. So that is x present in the denominator. So here apply substitution. Put 1 plus log x is equal to t. So 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So ये जो dx upon x है वो dt में चला जाएगा. तो क्वेश्चन बचेगा क्या, I is equal to integration of 1 plus log x तो t है तो t क्यूब, बचा हुआ वो dt बन गया. बट इसका तो फॉर्मूला है t raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Since our question was in terms of x, so answer must be in terms of x. So replace t by 1 plus log x. So that is 1 plus log x raised to 4 by 4 plus c. Okay, so 6th and 10th done. Now 7th, 8th and 9th. Okay, let us try to solve the next question. Question number 7th. I is equal to integration of cos 3x into cos 2x into cos x dx. Now here first I will multiply and divide by 2, and I will apply defactorization formula between 2 cos 3x cos 2x into cos x by 2. You can apply factorization between second and third term also. You can apply defactorization between first and third term also. ओके, सो आई इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ, ये लास्ट वाला cos x हम लोग पहले लिखते हैं. नाउ 2 cos c cos d, 2 cos c cos d का फॉर्मूला होता है cos c प्लस डी प्लस cos c माइनस डी. सो ये हो जाएगा cos c प्लस डी मतलब cos 5x प्लस cos c माइनस डी मतलब x डिवाइडेड बाई 2. नाउ स्प्लिट. So this is cos x into cos 5x by 2 dx plus cos square x by 2 dx. Now again here multiply and divided by 2. So again we have to apply defactorization one more time. So ये क्या हो जाएगा cos 6x plus cos 4x divided by 4 dx plus cos स्क्वायर थीटा का फॉर्मूला होता है 1 प्लस cos 2 थीटा बाई 2. सो 1 प्लस cos 2x बाई 2 इंटू 2 4. सो आई कैन शिफ्ट 1 बाई 4 आउटसाइड एंड आई कैन अप्लाई इंटीग्रेशन. हर एक 4 टर्म दिख रहा है cos 6x cos 4x 1 एंड cos 2x. सो हियर वी कैन से sin 6x बाई, डोंट फॉरगेट टू डिवाइड इट बाई 6 बिकॉज वी आर कंसिडरिंग 6x एज अवर x, प्लस cos 4x का sin 4x by 4 plus integration of 1 is x plus integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus c. ये हो गया अपना आंसर. तो 7th हो गया. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व 9th वन फर्स्ट. नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन है I is equal to integration of cot inverse of 1 plus sin x upon cos x dx. Okay, now 1 के साथ प्लस या माइनस में cos होता है ना तो सिंपल हो जाता है because we have formula for 1 plus cos and 1 minus cos. और साइन सिंगल होता है तो इजी हो जाता है, साइन 2 थीटा 2 साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा. इधर उल्टा है, 1 के प्लस के साथ साइन है और सिंगल कॉस है. नो, डोंट वरी, कन्वर्ट साइन इनटू कॉस एंड कॉस इनटू साइन, सिंपल. सो हियर कॉट इनवर्स ऑफ, आई कैन से 1 प्लस साइन एक्स कैन बी रिटन एज कॉस 90 माइनस एक्स, नीचे वाला कॉस एक्स कैन बी रिटन एज साइन 90 माइनस एक्स. So now integration of cot inverse of ऊपर 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2 that is pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon this is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 the whole dx. So now 2 cancel, एक cos cancel हो जाएगा. So अपने को क्या बचेगा, ऊपर क्या बचा अपने पास, cos ऑफ पाई बाई 4 माइनस एक्स बाई 2 अपॉन साइन ऑफ पाई बाई 4 माइनस एक्स बाई 2 डी एक्स, दैट इज कॉट इनवर्स ऑफ cot of pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Cot inverse and cot cancel, so integration of pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Okay, pi by 4 is a constant, so जिसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा pi x by 4 minus 1 by 2 into integration of x will be x square by 2 plus c. So answer is pi x by 4 minus x square by 4 plus c. ठीक है, ये हो गया अपना क्वेश्चन नंबर 9th. नेक्स्ट वन, 8th वन. 8th वन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. I is equal to integration of cos 7x minus cos 8x upon 1 plus 2 cos 5x dx. So here first I will multiply and divide by sin 5x in the numerator as well as denominator. So sin 5x into cos 7x minus cos 8x upon sin 5x into 1 plus 2 cos 5x dx. Now numerator में sin 5x है, that can be written as 2 sin 5x by 2 into cos of 5x by 2. Now उसके बाजू में है cos c minus cos d, so that can be written as 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin d minus c by 2 the whole upon. Now here sin 5x plus denominator is 2 sin 5x cos 5x. Okay, so the numerator में से 4 2 into 2 4, वो ये हम लोग बाहर शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, into integration of this is sin 5x by 2 into cos 5x by 2 into sin of 15x by 2 the whole upon sin 5x plus sin 10x dx. Now denominator में I can apply factorization, so which is equal to 4 times integration of, ऊपर क्या है sin 5x by 2 into cos 5x by 2 into sin of 15x by 2 the whole upon denominator में sin 5x sin 10x, that can be written as 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 15x by 2 into cos of c minus d. So 5 minus 10 is minus 5x by 2, but cos is even function, उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, 5x by 2. So ये sin 15x by 2 sin 15x by 2 कैंसिल, दूसरा क्या cos 5x by 2 cos 5x by 2 कैंसिल. So that is 4 by 2. So 2 times integration of, अच्छा एक सेकेंड एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं, sin 5x by 2, हाँ और एक है इधर sin x by 2 जो हम लोगों ने नहीं लिखा है, इधर है sin x by 2 dx. तो इधर आएगा sin x by 2 dx. So here 4 by 2 is 2, बचा क्या sin 5x by 2 into sin x by 2. Okay, now we are shifting these two inside because defactorization में 2 होना चाहिए. So that is integration of 2 sin 5x by 2 sin x by 2 dx. Now the formula 2 sin c sin d 2 sin c sin d is cos of c minus d minus cos c plus d. So integration of cos of c minus d, so 4x by 2 is 2x minus cos of 6x by 2 is 3x. ठीक है, इसका इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा, स्प्लिट करो, cos 2x dx minus cos 3x dx. So that will be sin 2x by 2 minus sin 3x by 3 plus c. हो गया, थैंक यू.